Okay, now here's the bike that's giving me all the problems. So when he dropped it, the bracket for the rear brake set broke. So it snapped right there. So I just have to replace that. Of course, the exhaust is all scratched up. Like I told you, it bent the handlebar. You can see how far it's bent back. Can't even really reach that. He broke the key, so now I got the new ignition switch, and I left the key for it in the house. 1 second. So I'll go ahead and stick the new ignition switch in, or the key in. It's off. On. You see that the lights come on. So well, now the battery's dying, but that's pretty much where I'm stuck at. I'm trying to get this, figure out what's wrong with it. I do have the air box removed right now, but that's because I cleaned it out and emptied the carbs out, and I got new filters coming for that, so I don't have to put that bulky air box back on. Yeah, let me know. Thank you.